everyone. இந்த வீடியோ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா NCERT பேஸில் இருக்கிற 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் இருக்கிற எல்லா டேட்டாஸையும் ஒன் பை ஒன் லைனாக கொஷின் வித் ஆன்சரோட போட்டிருக்கோம். இந்த வீடியோ யாருக்கெல்லாம் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா NCERTயில் பேஸ்டு படிக்கிற 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ஸ் குழந்தைங்களுக்கும் மற்றும் RRB TNPSC SSC குரூப் 1 குரூப் 2 படிக்கிற எல்லாருக்குமே பேசிக்லேருந்து படிக்கிற எல்லாருக்குமே கண்டிப்பாக இந்த வீடியோ ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஷின், a map is a representation or drawing of some area. நமக்கு தெரியும் ஒரு மேப் அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு ஏரியாவுடைய ஒரு ரெப்ரசன்டேஷன் இல்லை ஒரு ட்ராயிங்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. விச் இஸ் லார்ஜர், a state map or district map? State map is a larger. Who launched Cartosat 3A satellite for Earth observation in 2025? ISRO. Who launched Cartosat 3A satellite for Earth observation in 2025? ISRO. In 2025, who launched a 3D digital map for smart city planning? Delhi Development Authority. Google Maps introduced dash powered voice navigation in regional languages in 2025. AI powered voice navigation. Telangana topped in dash based crop mapping in 2025. GIS based crop mapping in 2025. Which map shows the natural features such as mountain, oceans, rivers? Physical maps. Okay, political map shows countries, states, boundaries and cities. And a political map is an example of a map India. It's with the states, union territories and capitals. Which map shows specific information such as climate, population or industries? That is thematic map. So physical map shows mountains, oceans and rivers. Political map shows states, union territories, capitals, current countries, states, boundaries and cities, etc. And thematic map is specific features like climate, population or industries. India is using dash and satellite to create urban heat vulnerability maps. AI. India is using AI and satellites to create urban heat vulnerability maps. In 2025, which state formed committees to prepare district-wise forest land reports and GIS-based thematic maps? Maharashtra. In 2025, Maharashtra formed the committee to prepare district-wise forest and land reports and GIS-based thematic maps. The four main directions are called cardinal directions. The cardinal directions. The cardinal directions are north, east, south and west. Intermediate directions include north, south, west, southeast and one more is northwest. On a map, the top usually represents the north direction. In India, the Indian Navy used advanced navigation system during exercise in which ocean? Indian Ocean. Indian Navy used advanced navigation in Indian Ocean. Google Maps introduced regional language voice navigation in India in 2025. Google Map introduced regional language voice navigation in India in 2025. The Survey of India updated the map to clearly mark the union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh in 2025. The fixed points at the top and bottom of the globe are called poles. So what is poles? That is a fixed point at the top and bottom of the globe. What is equator? Circle of between the North Pole and South Pole is called equator. Latitude always measures the distance from the equator. The large circle of the equator is, latitude is equator. The equator is at 0 degree and North Pole is located at 90 degree north latitude. South Pole is located at 90 degree south latitude. The climate near the equator is generally hot. The climate near the equator is generally hot. The climate in regions away from the equator but not near the pole is called temperate. The climate in region away from the equator but not near the pole is called temperate. The climate near the pole is generally cold. The climate near the pole is generally cold. In 2025, India faced extreme heat waves in states located close to the equatorial torrid region. In 2025, India faced extreme heat waves in states which is located close to the equatorial or torrid region. Thank you. இந்த வீடியோ வந்து பேசிக்ல இருந்து இருக்கும் சின்ன சின்ன விஷயங்கள் கூட ஏன்னா 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸும் யூஸ் பண்ணி படிச்சுக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணி கமெண்ட் பண்ணி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.